We're gonna make a roll around cart because I am sick and tired of having to do that every time I want to plane something. I'm gonna use glue and pocket holes. I know, you guys love pocket holes so much. Alright, so we got our top and bottom boxes made. I didn't film both of them because it was the exact same thing. I made this little jig here because if you've ever put pocket holes in, you know that when you are trying to screw them in, the boards want to walk with you. So I just used a piece of 4x4 I had left over, dog holed it in, clamped it to it, and that way it just makes life easier. So we will throw some glue on here, and we will get started putting these bad boys in. So we're going to put some drawer slides in. Alright, so we got our drawer box made. So I always get my front close as I can get it. Just square. Lay my frame square down. Alright, so now that we've got our drawer slides on, I'll clamp a couple 2x on here just so I have something for my drawer to sit on so everything is level. Just butt them up against the bottom of the drawer slide on both sides and they're good to go. Should.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.